Welcome to Unit 7 English for Beginners. درس هفتم انگلیسی برای ابتدایی خوش آمدید. You're watching learnenglish.i.a.s. I'm Imam Ali Safari. Today's lesson we are going to talk about sharing information. درس امروزی ما درباره sharing information یا شریک ساختن معلومات است. Contact details. So if you're writing your name, so you will have to write a title. For example, Mr. is the title here. Laqab Aqa ya Khanum. And then you will have your first name, which is Robert here, first name. And you will have a middle name, right, like Thomas. And you will have a last name like Johnson, right? First name, middle name, and last name Johnson. Title is Mr. First name نام اولتون. Middle name در بین نام اگر چیزی باشه یا last name هم تخلص دارم. We usually don't have, especially in Afghanistan, we don't have much first name, or we don't have a middle name, we just have first name. For example, my name is Imam Ali, so my name is Imam Ali. Imam is the first name, maybe Ali is the middle name, and my last name is Safari, so maybe Safari is the last name. But in fact, we don't use middle name, okay? Right? So you will have a house number. It's 80 Ellen Drive, or street address is Drive, and house number is 80 Ellen. So the state where you live is this is the state, right? Okay. The state نام شهر یا جایی که شما زندگی میکنید شهر رو. And cell phone number is the UK or United States, but mobile number is the United Kingdom. شماره تلفن. This is the cell phone number or mobile number. Now this is 617-555-5351. So we have got an email address in the email address name rob.johnson@webmail.net, right? This is the email. And this one is the city, Sharjah, and we use a zip code or postcode. These two means the same thing, but people who lives in America, they say zip code, and people who lives in the UK or United Kingdom, they say postcode, right? Or 03337. This is the postcode. So now let's talk about the business card. Maybe what should we include on our business card, or what information we have to exchange in business card. Okay, let's see it. So in the business card, you can share your name, Daniel Thompson, right? So what is your position? So you have the right job position here, job title, director. So you can have your company name, Big Films, so this is the company name. And you will have your website here, www.bigfilms.com. So you can have your email address, your contact number, and your business address, right? So this is called a business card. So if you want to, for example, you can introduce yourself, introduce yourself, or also you can exchange business cards. It means exchange business cards, delay business cards. Okay, now let's talk about the forms of communication. So forms of communication, it means the way we can communicate with others, right? راه و طریق‌های گفتگو کردن یا تبدیل معلومات. One we have letter. You know letter, what is letter, right? یک راه communication یا ارتباطات letter است، نامه هست. It was used before, right? In the past. در گذشته زیاد استفاده میشه. And nowadays we have email, phone calls, تلفن کردن. voice call, right? Voice call. Or we have a text message करना. And social networking, social networking like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, memo, right? Or online chatting, we have chat calendar online, or mail post, right? Mail is the United States or American English, and post is the United Kingdom English. And we have notes here. We have a note here, right? Note. Okay, let's talk about sending mails. نامه فرستادن یا email فرستادن. So when you go to the application, your email application like Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo, whatever, you can see these things in your email. So in your account, right? So you will have inbox. Inbox is a place where all the mail comes in. Inbox جایی است که تمام میل ها یا نامه های برقیتون به اون میاد. Inbox. And if you want to check your emails, so first you need to check your inbox, right? اگر کسی به شما ایمیل روان میکنه و شما باید inbox رو check کنید. You can check your inbox. And if you want to check your sending email, to whom did you send your emails, اگر میخواین ببینید که به کی نامه نوشتین و به کی روان فرستادین، به کی روان فرستادین نامتونه یا ایمیلتونه, then you can check the outbox که به کی ها ایمیل رفته. And draft is what? Draft is, for example, once you're writing an email and then you can save it for the next time you're not sending that, right? You will send it later, then all that emails go to the draft. اگر شما یک ایمیل نوشته میکنین ما روان نمیکنین، سیو میکنین، پس او draft میره. And we have some junk mail or spam. So this is a place where other emails like you don't like to read, and all those comes here. ایمیل هایی که یعنی چیزایی که به کارتون نمیاد، معمولا ایمیل هایی که ضروری نیست یا ایمیل هایی که فکر میکنین اذیت کننده است میتونین با جنگ فایل کلشن اونجا جمع آوری کنین. Or trash وقتی که trash is a place when you delete an email, those emails go to the trash. کثافتانی زمانی که شما یک ایمیل delete میکنین یا پاک میکنین they go to the trash. اونا کلش به trash میره. You can check it later. So there is a option in your email account that is attachment یک چیزی را که در مثال یک فایل روان میکنیم روی ایمیل. When you send a file with your email like a picture or like a document or PPT or presentation, word file, so all includes that attachment. وقتی که شما یک عکس روان میکنین یا پاورپوینت روان میکنین بالای آپشن attach کلیک میکنین یا هم زمان که شما attach میایه و ایمانو که شما عکس یا فایل و ایمیل تان میایه یک جایی. So you have subject line in your email, that your subject, what should be your subject line, right? موضوع ایمیل تان چی است, and what is the topic of your email. We have contact, for example, you can have your fax number, or you can have your telephone number. So these are called contact, or email is also a kind of contact, right? But usually we use contact for telephone number. Then you will have a signature in email, like you're writing your name and last name at the end of the email. That is called signature. IMZA signature. And we have to print. To print is what? To print زمانی که چاپ کنیم یا هم print. It's called print. We have another option here. It's a kind of option is to replay. Whenever you will get an email or receive an email, then if you want to answer that, that's called replay. زمانی که شما یک ایمیل میایه و شما میخواین اون رو جواب بدین, plus as E option is following into reply. And if you have many emails you want to apply, you want to reply all, or you want to respond all, so you have to say reply all. And then you have forward. What, for example, you get an email and you want to send the same email to someone else without editing or something like that, so that's used from forward. Forward zamani ke shoma email ba dest miarin و بدونی که دست بزنین به ایمیل پس به کسی دیگر همون کنین، شما میتونین از forward email or forward استفاده کنین. The next option is to send in فرستادن. When you write your email, when you complete it, then you can click on the send button and you can send it to others. And the last option we have here, delete. So delete the money, pocket then, right? But if you don't want the email, so you can delete it. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. It was the lesson of seventh lesson of English for beginners. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something from me. Keep practicing. You will definitely learn English. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.